Welcome to Energy Day Houston, right here in the middle of downtown. It's an amazing setting for an amazing event.
We are bringing fun science demos to young people. It's really fun.
Bring your kids out, let them get hands-on experience with different activities that they wouldn't be allowed to do at home, like slime. So many different things to do here.
Great for the kids because it really just brings to life everything that they do on a day-to-day basis and how that is possible.
Energy Day is a family fun festival. It's all about STEM education, what energy means to STEM.
Learn about what we do, start thinking about careers in the energy industry at a younger age so they can start to focus on it, and we'll have the next generation of leaders coming up before you know it.
Of course, I bring superconducting levitation, so I'm also bringing very strong magnets that people can play with. So when they go back to their classroom, I hope that that little spark of fun survives and keeps them going. Or that when the teacher then does a fun demo, it really reignites that feeling. So I enjoy seeing the excitement, the understanding in people's eyes when they see something that they don't expect.
It's just an amazing event. There's so many people here because it's such a family-friendly event. Obviously, I've got my little 7-year-old guy here. He loves it.
Energy Day is awesome.
Bring the kids down to Energy Day 2026, the third Saturday of October 2026. Energy Day, free, family fun, STEM, energy. It's all about the city of Houston.